Hello everybody. I decided to paint the bike orange and flat black. I've already replaced the front turn signals, so I could use one of the fronts that's in good shape on the rear. And the two fronts are a little different because I went out and bought aftermarket made in China turn signals. I'd like to say they're pretty good, but they're junk. But anyway, I mean, they're cheap, they work. Well, hopefully they work. We'll see. Anyway, let's get to it. We're going to clean the parts. I've already taken some of the parts off, as you can see here. So I got basically just some soapy water in here, and I'm just going to wash the parts down. Both paints, orange and black, are going to be Krylon for the plastic parts, because it's made to adhere to plastic. And the biggest thing is it's cheap. So once I'm done washing, scrubbing everything down, I'm just going to give it a quick rinse. So basically, I'm just going to leave everything out there to dry, and we're going to go over to the frame of the bike now. All right, so we're in my shed. We're going to do the forks. I'll get them ready to be done. So I'm going to take some acetone, and I'm going to just scrub the forks down with it to make sure all the oil and whatever may be on here is off. So as I do that, I'm going to clean it up with a rag. I am not taking the forks off to paint them. I'm going to paint them right in place. This is the cheap man's way of painting a bike. Like I said, this bike is going to be for riding around, beating up, whatever. I don't care really. I'm not looking to spend a fortune to change the color of the bike. So here are the forks. I gave them 3 coats. And here's the engine, or the front half of the bike. And here's the left side. Hope you can see that. It's a little dark in here. I don't have any lighting in this shed. And here's the front fork and the caliper. I already sprayed these panels here. Just cleaned them up, hit them with alcohol, and then sprayed them flat black. Still working on these for the signals. They're going to be flat black. There's the orange panel. It's already been painted. Front fender piece. Just to show you quickly what I'm doing here is I'm not making a big project of this. I'm just taking some fine steel wool, scuffing it up. There are some defects in the plastic and whatnot. I am not fixing all that. I just want to change the color. Once I'm satisfied with this, I'm going to go ahead, take it to the bench, go over it with some alcohol to remove any wax or grease that might still be on this, and remove the steel wool pieces that are all over this. And then we'll go ahead and hit it up with the Krylon paint right over this. No no need to prime. So after about an hour, you can start putting this together. Just got to be careful with the paint, because even though you can handle it after an hour, it's still not, 100% or fully cured, I should say. And there's the front fender. Some defects in here, but like I said, I'm not trying to make this brand new, just to make it good enough where she looks pretty and get rid of that blue color that I didn't like. Now, to get this back on, dude, that looks awesome. I like it. I don't know how good it's gonna last, or if it's gonna last. Very happy with that so far. Let's go get some more parts on this and get the others done. All right, now I'm going to run the wires in for the turn signals. And it just goes through, the harness goes right through there. Now we got to put this and hook it up. Going to put that right inside the housing. Put the lens on. And screw it in. So there you go. One turn signal is in place.